everyone. Welcome back to Chat Vibes. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So happy you're here. Today, we're talking about two little words that cause big confusion.
Oh, yes, the tiny words that follow us everywhere. I used to mix them up all the time when I was learning.
Me too. And you know what? It's totally normal. They seem so similar, right? You keep things, you put things, but they're not the same.
Not at all. And using the wrong one can make your sentence sound a little funny. Not wrong, but just off. Like wearing your shoes on the wrong feet.
Yes, you can still walk, but it feels strange. So today, Sarah and I are going to have a simple, friendly chat. We'll use lots of examples from real life. No complicated grammar rules, just natural talk.
By the end of this, you'll feel much more confident about when to say keep and when to say put. Promise. Now, let's start with a story. Mike, what happened to you this morning?
Oh, it was a mess. I was late. I was running around my apartment looking for my keys. I was saying, where did I put them? Where did I put them? My roommate finally said, Mike, you always keep them in the blue bowl by the door.
Aha, perfect example already. Did you hear that? He said, where did I put them? And his roommate said, you keep them in the bowl. That's the heart of it right there.
It is? Explain, please.
Okay, think of it like this. Put is an action. It's something you do at one moment. You take something and move it to a place. Put your bag on the chair. Put your phone in your pocket. It's the movement.
So when I lost my keys, I was asking about that action. Where was the last place I moved them to? Where did I put them?
Exactly. Now, keep is about a state or a habit. It's not about the moment you move something, it's about where it usually stays or how you make it stay. My roommate said you keep them in the bowl. That means the bowl is their home. That's where they live. You don't just put them there once, you always, habitually, keep them there.
Oh, so put is for the action now, keep is for the normal situation.
Yes. Let's try another one. When you cook pasta, what do you do?
Well, I boil the water, then I put the pasta in the water.
Good. That's a single action. You take the pasta and place it in the pot. Now, after dinner, you have leftovers.
Right, I put the leftovers in a container.
Action. Then,
Then I put the container in the refrigerator.
another action. But tomorrow, if my milk is on the table and I ask you, Mike, where should the milk be? What do you say?
You should keep milk in the refrigerator.
Perfect. Not put, because I'm not asking for the action right now. I'm asking about the correct, normal place for it, the place where it stays. You keep milk in the fridge.
Oh, I'm starting to see it. So put is like a video, you see the movement. Keep is like a photo, you see something staying in one place or condition.
I like that. A video for put, a photo for keep. Let's use more examples. Talk about your clothes.
Okay. When I get home, I put my jacket on the hook. One action.
And if it's cold inside?
I keep my jacket on. I don't take it off. I continue wearing it.
Yes, to keep your jacket on means to stay in that state of wearing it. Now, what about ideas? Can you put a secret?
No, that sounds strange. You keep a secret.
Right, because keep can also mean to hold or maintain something that is not physical. You keep a promise. You keep a secret. You keep someone's trust. You can't physically put those things somewhere.
But you can put an idea into words.
Smart. That's a different use of put. It means to express something. How should I put this means how should I say this? But you're right, it's still an action of expressing.
What about when we tell someone to continue doing something? We say, keep going.
Excellent point. That's a super common pattern. Keep plus verb ing. It means to continue an action. Keep walking, keep talking, keep trying. It's about the action continuing.
So keep is about continuation. continue a state, like keep the milk cold, or continue an action, like keep walking.
Exactly. Put doesn't do that. You can't say put walking. Now, let's think about effort. Keep often has a feeling of effort or intention. If I say I keep my house clean, it means I work to make it stay clean. It's not an accident.
But I put my house in order is like a big one-time cleaning action.
Yes, you organized it. You placed things where they belong. That's put. Maintaining that order is keep.
Oh, this is really helpful. Let's practice with some common phrases everyone should know.
Great idea. Let's start with keep phrases. A very friendly one, keep in touch.
Oh, I say this to friends all the time. It means let's stay connected. Let's continue our communication.
Perfect. Keep an eye on something.
That means watch it carefully. Can you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the bathroom? It means please make sure it stays safe.
Keep it up.
Encouragement. It means continue doing so well. If you're studying hard, I say keep it up.
And keep it down means be quieter.
Like, hey, keep it down. People are trying to sleep.
Exactly. Now some put phrases. Put up with.
That means to tolerate something bad or annoying. I can't put up with this loud music anymore.
Put off.
To delay. I put off doing my homework until Sunday night. I postponed it.
Put together.
To assemble. I need to put together this new desk. Or it can describe someone who looks neat. She always looks very put together.
Great. Now let's imagine some everyday scenes. Picture this. We're in a classroom. The teacher is writing on the board. She turns and says, "Please put your phones in your bags."
That's an instruction for an action right now. Move your phone to your bag.
Then she says, "And please keep them in your bags for the whole class."
That means they should stay there. Don't take them out. Maintain that state.
Perfect. Scene 2. A kitchen. A parent is helping a child cook. The parent says, "Put the sugar in the bowl." That's the action.
Then the parent says, we keep the sugar in this jar. That's where it normally lives.
Scene 3. Two friends talking. One is sad, the other says, "This song always puts me in a good mood. It causes me to enter a good mood."
And the friend might reply, well, keep yourself in a good mood. Listen to happy music.
Cause yourself to stay in that good state.
You've got it. So to review simply, use put when you talk about moving or placing something somewhere, usually at a specific time. It's an action. You almost always say where you put something. Put it on the table. Put it in your pocket.
And use keep when you talk about where something usually stays, or making something stay the same, or continuing an action. Keep it in the fridge. Keep it a secret. Keep smiling.
The most common mistake is using put for a habitual place. Don't say, I put my shoes in the closet if you mean that's where they always are. Say, I keep my shoes in the closet.
And don't say, "I keep my book on the table" if you are doing it right now. Say, "I'll put my book on the table."
Just remember Mike's video and photo. Put is the action video. Keep is the still photo of something staying in one place.
You will hear these words everywhere in English, in songs, movies, conversations. Now you can listen for them. Notice the difference.
And please don't worry about making mistakes. It's how we learn. Just keep practicing. Keep joining us here at Chat Vibes.
And put your new knowledge to use. Try to make one sentence with put and one with keep today. Write them in the comments if you like.
We would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us. You're doing great.
Remember, keep up the good work. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.